to American Sunrise. I'm Dr. Gina, and it's now time to talk about our health and wellness. Take a look at this headline. Flu and RSV starting to rise in the U.S. as COVID peaks in some areas. The question, though, what should you do to keep your family safe and well this season? Joining us now, Dr. Peter McCullough, Chief Scientific Officer at the Wellness Company. Welcome, Dr. McCullough. Just to start out, with it being flu season, do you have recommendations for someone considering COVID boosters and flu shots? And I saw there's even an RSV shot you can get now.
Reuters is reporting, and the AP press reporting, only 1.3% of Americans as of October 4th have taken the COVID-19 booster. And I think that's a vote of no confidence on the COVID-19 boosters. The flu shots the last few years have had statistically insignificant from zero efficacy against severe outcomes. So flu shots don't offer really any significant protection. Now, we have two FDA-approved drugs for influenza. They are safe. They are effective. If someone were to get influenza, we have good testing. They can get early treatment and get through the illness.
And for those who've been vaccinated, what have we learned about the mRNA technology and the spike proteins? Because those spike proteins, those things are scary.
Spike protein is the spine on the surface of the virus. It's not broken down by human enzymes. It seems to stay in the body for many months, if not years, after the infection or after multiple shots. Now, there are products, over-the-counter products, that can help dissolve the spike protein. Nattokinase and bromelain are two that are the lead right now. They're both available as over-the-counter supplements. And then curcumin has been shown in clinical trials, again, a natural substance to buffer the effects of inflammation from the spike protein. But it does need to be cleared out of the body. One of the lead products is by the Wellness Company. It's called Spike Support. It's nattokinase with 5 minor ingredients.
And does that have also the bromelain in it?
No, it doesn't. So the bromelain and curcumin are added as separate products. One can also find, these products online as well. We have a publication in the Journal of the Association of American Physicians that outlines the scientific rationale for considering this. I can't make any therapeutic claims because there are no large randomized trials completed. And to my knowledge, there's none planned. So it would be many years if we relied on clinical trials. Our judgment is in our practice in our office that this is working. We've been doing it now for a considerable period of time. It does take time for people to slowly get better from these long COVID and post-vaccine symptom injury syndromes.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, that's some great information, Dr. Peter McCullough, because I'll tell you what, we have to battle back at these spike proteins, which are out there everywhere. You and I had a phone conversation about this just the other day, and we don't even know the havoc it's wreaking on us and especially our children. So, Dr. Peter McCullough, we appreciate you being here because everybody knows the next medical crisis is just around the corner, whether it comes in the form of a pandemic or something more mundane like a tick bite. You and your family want to be prepared. That's where the Wellness Company comes in. You know the Wellness Company, we have their great doctors on, and the reason is because they know their stuff and they're going to tell you things that you're not going to be able to find anyplace else. The Wellness Company and their doctors, medical professionals, you can trust them, and their medical emergency kits are the gold standard when it comes to keeping you and your family safe and healthy. So get your medical kit. It contains an assortment of life-saving medications, including ivermectin and the Z-Pack. The medical emergency kit provides a guidebook in aid to the safe use of all of these medications so that you know exactly how to use them. There's no confusion at all, no room for confusion. Rest assured knowing you have emergency antibiotics, antivirals, antiparasitics on hand to keep you and your family safe from whatever the globalists throw at us next. We'll be ready.